And we're back. Guess what, guys? Today I have a special treat for you. One of my favorite dishes, Chinese dim sum. This one is gonna be Cha Siu Bao, or in the Philippines they call it Shou Pao, and in Trinidad they call it Pao. So stay tuned. We're gonna get right into making how to make this today, and a little bit about me. I love Cha Siu Bao. So let's show you how to make it. First, the intro. Now. My name is Chefling. I am a Trinidadian born and proudly Canadian chef. I fought through the flames and trained for years, also I can share my passion for cooking with you. Follow my culinary journey, share your thoughts, and let's get creative in the kitchen together. Let me go. Alright, we're back. So guess what? The first thing we're going to do is season this pork shoulder. And I'm going to show you how to do it. We're going to have to season it and actually keep it overnight for 24 hours. So that way all of the seasonings can really soak into it, okay? But let me show you how to get it done. First things first, pork shoulder. Now we're going to use the knife here and we're going to slice it into strips. Okay, like that. This is what you want the strips of pork to look like. Now we're going to use a fork and poke holes. This is really going to help the marinade soak right into that meat and give you that cha siu flavor all the way through. And it's also going to help tenderize. My fondest memory of cha siu bao has to be when I was young and going to those dim sum restaurants Sunday morning after church and just having the best time, ordering a lot of food that we most likely couldn't even eat all of it. But that's part of the fun at dim sum, right? Okay, so now we've cut our pork shoulder into strips, we've poked holes in it, and now what we're going to do is season it. So, fun times, Richmond High, back again, let's go. So we're going to start with some ginger, garlic, some Chinese 5-spice, some black pepper, some paprika, some garlic and onion powder, and a little bit of my secret ingredient. Right, now those are the dry seasonings. Now we're going to start by adding our wet ingredients. This is actually cha siu marinade. I'm going to put this in there. That's what helps us give it that red color. You can use beet powder, and that's what I would like to use, and also red food coloring, but I like to stay away from that. Alright, that's all she wrote. So simple, it's not that hard. What we're going to do now is put this in the fridge and let it marinate for 24 hours. Oh wow, that was a really quick 24 hours. But we're back, and here it is. This is what it looks like. Come in close. I have to show you how the meat has really soaked in all of the coloring and the food, the flavor. Check it out. Now, there's so many different ways you can do this now. You can bake this in the oven at 400 degrees, or you can throw it right into an air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. And that'll give you an internal temperature of about 155. So that's what we're doing right now. Come check it out. Whew! Can you check that out? Are you excited? I am. Check this bad boy out right here. I don't know how to show you the best. Hey, how about this? Not like that, like this. Check this out. What we're gonna do now, it's done. We're gonna take this and cut it up into small cubes. Let me show you. Oh wow, made a big mess on this countertop now. Back in the air fryer you go. We don't need all of you. I already cut up a bunch. I'll be eating you later, don't worry. Alright, so first things first, you're going to take the cha siu that we just made and cut it into small cubes. Like that. This piece, I'm going to eat. Oh, I love cha siu. Alright, what we're going to do now is make our dough to make the actual bao for that the cha siu is going to go inside. That's going to be really fun too. So let's do jar, warm water, make a mess, and we're going to start off with a little bit of warm water, a tablespoon of yeast, and a half tablespoon of white granulated sugar. And then we're going to mix this together. Spoon. Now what we're going to do is let this rest for about 45 minutes. Goodbye. And hello. This is rested for about 45 minutes. It's activated. Now we have some all-purpose flour here, about 3 cups. And we're going to add our activated yeast into our flour. We're going to use a spoon. Now we're going to add a little bit of salt. It's really important not to add the salt before, because it will stop the yeast from raising, and then we will not have that fluffy Siu Bao soup. I might be trying to be fancy. Cha Siu Bao or Bao that you're used to. Let me put my gloves on. All right, now you're gonna see it's a little bit moist. That's good. A little bit of oil. Slide it back down. Perfect. All right, now we're done. I'm gonna see you in about an hour and a half. Before, after. Nice, fluffy, bao, Siu Bao dough. All right, so now that we put that over there, it's time to get right into it and have a really, really fun time. This is the fun time, the funnest part of this whole thing. It's Siu Bao, Cha Siu Bao, or Bao, wherever you're from in the world. This is the fun part and I can't wait. Scissors. So what we're going to do is start by making a ball with that wonderful dough that we just made. Just like that. Alright, now that we've done that, let's take a little bit of flour. We're just going to dust our table and start making this dough. Into circles. And take that yummy cha siu that we made, the barbecue pork that we just made, and we're going to spoon fill a nice portion of that in there. Now I'm going to show you how to fold it up, okay? So let's, you're going to use our fingers here. I'm going to get a little bit of water, dust it around the top. And I'm going to fold, 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 fold. Now check this out. I'll show you again slowly again, but check this out. I want to know about your favorite dim sum item that you guys order at home and I can make it for you here. Is it chung fan? Or give me another item. Doesn't need to be dim sum, could be anything. And I can show you how to make it. Right here, live, Tuesday. So pleat again, pleat, 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 and pleat, and then twist, twist and pleat. You're gonna love this recipe. It's not as hard as it looks, and it's not as easy as it looks, but after a few tries, you're going to thank me. Thank you very much, Rachel. I really appreciate that. I said Rachel. Alright, so let's, we've finally done this. Oh, look at this, guys. I cannot wait to show you this and also to eat it. Looks fantastic. Are you ready? I know I am. Check this out. Oh, thank you. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh, that's hot. Check this bad boy out. Check this out. I'm gonna do a close-up tear here because that's what we're all waiting for. Right? Am I right or am I right? Come on, guys. Let us dip. And enjoy. This brings me back to those Sundays after church, but now you can make it at home. I've shown you every step here. Let me know how it goes at home, and give it a try. I'll see you next Tuesday when we cook something new, something different, and I can't wait. And hopefully this time coming up, I do steam some or make something when it's finished. Right? I'll see you guys next time. I really enjoyed my time with you. I'll see you next time.